Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed, which means whenever you're trying to work on with your Instagram, you are receiving this could not refresh feed error message. Then in this video, we're gonna discuss about how we're gonna fix the issue. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If your Instagram is showing you a could not refresh feed error, then the first thing to do is to make sure if you are connected to a strong internet or not. Check whether you are connected to your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you are, simply go ahead and tap open your Instagram application and see if your problem is solved. If the internet is not the issue, the next thing to try out is to go ahead and set your date and time automatically. If your phone's date and time settings are set manually and are out of the sync with the actual time, then it might prevent your Instagram feed from refreshing. So simply go ahead and tap on the settings button from your Android device, go to general management from the settings menu and tap it on. Tap on date and time, make sure that your automatic date and time button is toggled on. Now go back to your Instagram and find out if that fixes your issue. If that still does not fix your issue, then the next thing to do is go back to settings one more time. From the settings menu, go to apps and tap it on. From the app list, find Instagram and give it a tap. Go to storage from the app info page and at the bottom right corner, tap on the clear cache button. Next, tap on clear data button at the bottom left corner and in the pop-up that appears on the display, tap on OK. Once you do that, all of the application's data will be deleted permanently, and it includes file settings, accounts, databases, etc. Once you do that, open your Instagram application. This time you'll need to go ahead and log into your Instagram account one more time. You'll need to log into your Instagram account by entering your Instagram credentials, and that should fix your issue. Those were some of the fixes that you could try out whenever you're having problem refreshing your news feed on Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.